Hello, grade 2. Today is Thursday, August 19, 2021. So let us learn subtraction with regrouping. Episode 21. Can you get your math book, the color red book, and open on page 115.
Okay, for today's activity, let us answer page 115. Okay. Now, let us try. 265 minus 18. It's already here, written in the place value form. Let us try 265 minus 18. We start at the ones place. 5 take away 8. Cannot be. 8 is big number. 5 is small number. So 5 will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5 and 5 will become 15. Now we can subtract 8 in your mind and then count 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 7. Now let us go to tens place. 5 minus 1 is 1 in your mind and then count 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So it's 4. Another way to do it is, this is 5, you count 5. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 and take away 1. We'll give you 1, 2, 3, 4. 4 and bring down 2 because it's empty. So the answer is 247. We can go to the next one. Letter B. 452 minus 27. Let us start. Ones place. 2 take away 7. Cannot be. 7 big number. 2 small number. So 2 from the ones place will borrow from 5. 5 will become 4 and 2 will become 12. Now we can borrow. We can subtract. We can subtract 7 in your mind and then count 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 5. Tens place. 4 take away 2. Very easy. 4 take away 2. 1, 2. We'll give you 2. And bring down 4. So the answer here is 425. Are you still with me? Are you still there? Okay, let us go to letter C. 609 minus 383. We start at the ones place. This is okay. 9 minus 3. So we can count. 9. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 9. Take away 3. 1, 2, 3. So you have here how many numbers? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6. 0. Take away 8. Cannot be. So we borrow from hundreds place. 6 will become 5 and 0 will become 10. Now we can subtract. 10 take away 8. It's easy. You have 10 fingers. Remove 8 will give you 2. So again, I show my hands. 10 fingers. Take away 8, 5, 6, 7, 8 will give you 2. Now, hundreds place. 5, take away 3. 5, take away 3. 1, 2, 3 will give you 2. So, this is the answer. 226. So, we can write it here. 226. Last, oh, not yet last. We still have E, F, and then A, B. So, letter D. 715 minus 292. 715 minus 292. Let us start. 5, take away 2. 5 fingers. Remove 2 fingers. What's the answer? 3. 5 and minus 2 is 3. 1 minus 9 from the tens place. Something is wrong. 9 is big, 1 is small. So we borrow from our neighbor. 7 will become 6 and 1 will become 11. Now we can subtract. 9 in your mind and then count. 9, 10, 11. So it's 2. And 6 minus 2 is 2 in your mind, or if not, you can get a piece of paper and write 6. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, and take away 2. Remove 2. How many? 1, 2, 3, 4. So the answer is 423. Now let's go to letter E. 740 minus 497. So let us write 740 and 497 inside the box. And let us subtract. 0 minus 7 cannot be. We borrow. 7 is big number, 0 is small number. So 0 will borrow from 4. 4 will become 3. And 0 will become 10. So now we can borrow. 10 fingers, take away 7. 5, 6, 7. So you have there 3. And then we have there 3, take away 9, cannot be. 9 is big, 3 is small. So we borrow from hundreds place. 7 will become 6 and 3 will become 13. Now we can borrow. 9 in your mind. 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. So it's 4. And the last one, hundreds place. 6 minus 4 is 4, 5, 6, 2. So the answer is 243. Yay! Almost done. Are you still there? Are you sleepy? Are you having a hard time? Don't worry. Teacher will help you. Shake your hands. Okay. Wakey, wakey. Alright. Now let's go back. 821 minus 329. Let us watch. Let us start. 821 minus 329. Okay. Let's start. I'll zoom in. 1 minus 9 cannot be. 9 is big, 1 is small. So we borrow. 2 will become 1 and 1 from the ones place will become 11. Now we can subtract. 9 in your mind and then count 9, 10, 11, 2. 1 minus 2 cannot be. It would be okay if it's 2 minus 2. It will give you 0. But since 2 became 1 because we borrowed earlier, now 1 is small and 2 is big. So we borrow from the neighbor, hundreds place. So 8 will become 7 and 1 will become 11. Now we can count. 2 in your mind and then count 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 9. And then 7 take away 3. 7 fingers take away 3. 2 and 1, 4. Okay, now this is the answer, 492. And we're almost done. 903 minus 548. Let us write it here. 903 minus 548. 3 minus 8 cannot be, so we borrow from our neighbor. 0 cannot be because it's still 0, no value. So we borrow from 9. 9 will become 8 and 0 will become 10. And then 3 can now borrow. 3 will borrow from 10. 10 will become 9. And 3 will become 13. Now we can borrow. Count 8 in your mind. And then 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. Again, let us count. 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. 9. Tens place. Take away 4. 9 fingers. Take away 4. Will give you 5. And then the last one. Hundreds place. 8. Take away 5. You have there. We have here 8 fingers. Take away 5. The answer is 3. So the answer is 355. And the last one for page 115. 800 minus 247. 0 minus 7 cannot be. So we borrow. Okay, we borrow. 0 will borrow from 0. Cannot be. So 0 will borrow from 8. 8 will become 7. 0 will become 10. So now 0 here from 1's place can borrow from 10's place. 10 will become 9 and 0 will become 10. Now we can borrow. 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 2. Right? Nope. It's 10. So I lack one more number. 7 in your mind. 7, 8, 9, 10. 3. So it's 3. Now 9. Take away 4. 9 fingers. Take away 4 will give you 5. And then the last one. 7 take away 2 will give you 7 fingers. Take away 2 will give you 5. So the answer is 555. 3. Okay, we're almost done for today. Let us finish the last page. Okay, on page 116. 312 minus what number should we put here inside? Because 2 minus 4 cannot be. So, 2 will borrow from 1. So, this will become 0. And this will become 12. And then we count 4 in your mind. 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. 8. That's why there is 8 here. Now, what will we put here since this is 0? Maybe 0. 0 minus 0, 0. And 3 minus 1 is 2. Teacher, is that correct? Let us see. There is one way to check if the answer is correct. We can add these two numbers. If it is correct, if you add them and it becomes this number, then it is correct. Let us try. 104 plus 208. 8 plus 4, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12. Put 1. 1 plus 0, 1. 1 plus 2, 3. Oh, it's the same. So, our answer is correct. Let's do this one. Okay, let me erase so we have space. Oops. Now, 637 minus 185. From the ones place, 7 take away 5. 5 in your mind, 5, 6, 7, 2. So it's 2. 3 minus 8 cannot be. 8 is big, 3 is small. So 3 will borrow from 6. 6 will become 5. And 3 will become 13. So let us count. 8 in your mind, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 5. And 5 minus 1, 4. Teacher, is that correct? Well, let us see. Let us count. Let us add. If you add these two numbers, if it becomes this number, then we have the correct answer. Let us try. 185 plus 452. Let us add. 5 plus 2 is 7. 8 plus 5 is 8 in your mind. 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13. 13 and put 1. Carry 1. So 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 4 is 6. Is it the same? Yes. So our answer here is correct. Let's do the last one. 300. Take away 142 will give you 142. Is that correct? Let us see. Okay, let us add. Oh no, let us subtract. 300 minus 142. 0 minus 2 cannot be, so we borrow from neighbor. Neighbor is still 0. So, what do we do again? We borrow from 3, hundreds place. So, 3 will become 2. 0 will become 10. And now, 0 can borrow from 10. 10 will now become 9 because 0 will become 10. Is it easy or is it hard? Hard? Okay, I will do it again. Okay, now let us do it again. 0 minus 2 cannot be. 2 is big, 0 is small. So what do? We borrow from the next neighbor, right? But 0 is still 0. So 0 cannot borrow from 0 because they have no number except 0. So 0 from tens place will borrow from hundreds place. So 3 from hundreds place will become 2. And 0 from the tens place will become 10. And then now 0 from ones place can borrow from tens place because it has a number. So 10 will become 9 because 0 will borrow from 10. So this is 10. So 10 take away 2 is 10 fingers, take away 2 will give you 8. And then 9 take away 4 will give you 5. And 2 take away 1 is 1. So is it correct? No, not correct. Because if you add these two numbers, it is what? 2 plus 2, 4. 4 plus 4, 8. 1 plus 1, 2. Is it the same? No, right? So it's not the answer. But what if we add this number and this number? Will it give you this number? If it will give you this number, then that is correct. So 158 plus 142. Let us count. 8 plus 2, 10. Carry 1. 5 plus 4 is 9. Plus 1 is 10. Carry 1. 1 plus 1 is 2. 2 plus 1 is 3. So it's the same. So this is our answer. Explain why Janice's way of subtracting is wrong. It is wrong because she didn't subtract properly. She didn't subtract. She didn't use the right way. So why? It is wrong. Because what? She did not do subtraction. Teacher, she did not do subtraction? No, because look, she only copied the number. Copy number, see? No subtraction, only write down 142 here in 142. See? So did not do subtraction. Show how you can subtract these numbers. Oh, we did this already. It's 158. Remember, I showed you. So we put it here. And we are finished today. Yay! You can go out and play for 5 minutes and then go back again to your next subject, to your next class. So, I'll see you again next week. Bye-bye.
I hope you were able to finish the exercise. I hope it was easy for you. So, we will start with the next lesson next week. So, for now, teacher will say bye-bye.